Got a whole lot of money. We got 2 teams, I think, with you. Oh god, dude, that was the worst drop of all time. Holy shit.
We got an L-Star, baby.
Oh, Golden Knight Gertis.
There's a blue in here.
Evo shield here. Level 2.
The next ring's far. Anyone know a shortcut? Or secrets?
Next one's in here with us.
People in
Close
the...
in 1
Got
minute.
one spot.
Run and
Pushing
slide.
into here.
I think we should go here.
Do you need anything?
Actually, probably grab this.
There's a blue swap in here.
Just to die.
Goonies, ring closes
Ah.
in 45 seconds.
Ah!
Close range.
Heartbeat. There's another blue swap here. Should probably go pick people up.
Pay attention, gang. Not far from the ring. We got 30 seconds left.
Alright, I'm good to go.
So just hold this
What
up.
ammo do you need?
Light and heavy.
Light ammo here.
I'm kind of chilling though. Oh, they took out the middle thing.
Oh, there's a gold L-Star.
You.
Oh, shit.
Going on us?
Yeah,
10 seconds. The ring's basically
right
done.
across.
Spotted an enemy over here.
I mean, I see we loop around the back here because we got.
Dude, got you amped?
I
Like
don't even see where he's at.
I see we loop
Oh,
around
he
here.
went in.
Yeah, I know. There's 2 teams still, I think. They're just going here. We're going here.
Let's move here.
Yeah.
There's someone underneath.
Raging.
Think this place needs
There's
a
one on
little
the roof
more
up here.
speed. Enemy shield cracked. Reloading.
Which one is he?
I don't know, he started running away.
There's one right
Hi,
here.
an enemy there.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Someone in here. Just heal. Oh, that's not him.
At me.
To there.
Yeah, but that it came from like right here. Just heal up your shield.
Check it out. Giving my shield to recharge.
Boy's right here.
Opponent, far.
I could have sworn there's someone underneath me.
Someone's got to take out the new kill leader. They're too cocky.
Yeah, it's Thermi.
There's someone in here.
Enemy close to me. Maybe I can sneak up here.
Opening fire.
It's a old man.
Oh my.
60 flash.
Reloading.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit. Second team. Nice. There's another
Got you
team.
amped like a champ. Team wipe.
Recharging shield.
Oh, Ashel.
I need ammo.
What do you need?
Light.
They're in that door. Be careful. Behind us?
Only they're
the
on our
roof.
head.
Yeah, the roof. Oh, there's Thermi. There's a gold heavy in here. Can you?
I do need that. Oh. He's on our head? He's just sitting somewhere.
Yeah.
He hit his thing to revive? That's not him.
He's inside. He's directly underneath us.
Watch out,
Yeah,
competitors.
just
Oh,
drop
I
in
see.
this side.
Sending out my decoy.
He just ran out to the left.
Someone just respawned. Yeah, he just closed the door. I think he's on the roof. Where's this fucker?
Go bamboozle.
Yeah, he's right here.
Right here.
78. Dead.
Nice.
Well, there's that
Last
respawn
member
team
of that
somewhere.
team. Sorry.
That was a good kill. Reloading.
There's a bunch of light in here if
I
you need
don't
it.
know. Yeah, I do.
There's a bat in here too if you need it. I'll leave it for you.
I have one. And I have gold.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take the shield things.
Do you want to drop the other bat in here? You don't have to. Thank you. I hear people. They're on me.
Do you need
Right
a...
here. 113. Close the door, be careful.
120 on the
Close
ash.
the door.
And more. Great.
Watch the grenade.
And
Yeah, getting shot at.
106.
Decoy. Wait, how do I know I'm...
Dead.
Reloading. A whole team wide.
There's purple in here.
Mga pinsan, matulog na kayo.
There's a 718. I'm just gonna keep my gold
Yeah,
for now.
360, 386.
Oh. Give him my shield to recharge.
Recharging my shield. Don't worry about me.
I'm just gonna go this way.
Go that way.
Hey, hammies if you see him.
Recharging shield.
Okay.
Killed someone. By accident.
Oh, so they're still in there.
I don't know.
They have to be.
It said disconnected players, so maybe they just... Maybe I just got kill credit from someone else.
Do you need this?
Barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
Doing a Rampage. There's a Bango coming down right next to us.
Let's go get them.
I'm gonna heal my health real quick.
Oh, they're all the way up here, though.
Got him. Spotted
Chef
one.
says destroying them. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Probably a Kraber.
Look inside.
Yeah, it was a Kraber.
Not today, Capatid. You've got people depending on you.
Rats.
Is it that small house?
Replicator on its
Yeah. And it's Zippy Boy.
Okay. Oh lord. Oh lord, I'm about to bust.
He's up here.
Please don't stand on that doorway. That gives me a really easy.
Yeah, and they're behind Rampart shields.
Oh well, that's how he knocked you in one hit.
Well, they just come up. They're on the roof right now.
Do you just zip around?
Yeah, maybe. But they're shooting at other people.
Still gonna take it. Look it. Death box is right there.
Spotted an enemy over here.
Well, there's people right here.
Target spotted.
He's running up to the thing.
Oh, there's people on. Oh!
Yeah. Full team.
Yeah, get inside. Back to the horizon.
Dead.
He's up top. Replace him. Oh, I don't want myself heal.
It's not helping.
We swapped. You might be able to sticky stick. So you can't push through my
Where are you?
batteries. I'm right here. He's on.
Missed me.
You didn't miss me. Nice. We won't push you through those bats though. You can heal. Just heal up your gold. Yeah. I think there's someone downstairs. Like another team. Yeah, there's another team. I'm just trying to get out. Oh god, there's someone right there.
Yeah. Damn.
That's okay. Damn it. We're playing well too. I can't believe they got rid of those little drop ships. So mean of them.
That's pretty crazy.
They just landed late on my side. Landed where we normally land.
Lucky us. We're already inside this next ring.
You wanna come
Let me
out?
loot up first.
Say, oh lord. They're in here with me.
Okay. I'm coming.
You wanna hurry up? She's on my door. She's one on my door. Just look at, yeah. She has gold knock.
Just grab it for now. There's a blue over here. There's like 3 blues over here. Where's her buddy?
Inside by me. 108. Yeah? Weird.
A whole team wipe. Now, mga
Woo,
pinsan,
gold
matulog na
RE.
kayo.
Nice kill.
I need my heavy. I need light ammo really bad.
Give me the gold knock.
Yeah.
Strategy.
Thank you.
Oh, this is all I get in
got the
return?
I dropped a 2x for you.
Everywhere.
Got some materials for
I'll
us.
buy that box.
Nice, thank you. I dropped a 1x if you want them, but
Voila, extra supplies
is there
right
a
here.
Feeny in there?
Knockdown shield here. Level 2.
No.
Recharging my shields. 1 sec.
Manga capatine.
Was she by herself?
Nope, it's a duo.
Knockdown shield here.
Oh, you killed.
Holy
Oh,
shit.
yeah.
Yeah, remember the one that was on the door?
I bet that care package has some sweet gear
I'm
for
healing
us.
up.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I do remember that. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Very Spischler. BBB in the crafter. I'd probably take one of those. Lady had a gold RE and she couldn't do shit. Imagine that.
But people are just like that.
Although I probably shouldn't have just egoed that fight without taking cover to reload.
Got materials for us.
Knowing that.
There's a new kill leader.
Oopsie.
That's a target on their back.
There's a care pack up at core. Take myself this BBB first though.
Grazie. Sandali lang.
Bingus bong, bingus bong, bingus bongus. What are you rocking?
Marie Longbow.
Ooh, I got Rampage. Oh, I said it like that.
Ultimate accelerant here. Just a sec. Crafting it
Mind if
up.
I take it?
I'll take it. I'll do it. Quit begging. Do I need 15 stacks of heavy?
Yes.
Jury's still out. Okay, I could. I can do it. Bless you.
Thank you.
My first kill was kind of shameful. Or I guess the first person that ran past. Because I just sat in a corner. I knew they were coming. I just sat in a corner and waited for her to run the corner, and then I just laser beamed her.
Attention, the kill leader has been eliminated.
Kill leader low. Oh wow! I just bonked my head on that
Phoenix
light.
kit here.
Oh,
Gotta hop up here. Turbocharger.
Round
Beautiful.
2, beginning ring countdown.
I'm on the
This
wrong
is your
one.
footsies.
Attention, delivering replicator.
Replicator here,
left
falling
like
down.
that.
New kill leader
Oh.
appointed.
I did hear people.
Go bamboozle.
New kill leader. Wonder what the play was.
They hear us.
Yeah, I see them.
The inside.
Firing.
Oh, they're right here.
Making contact here.
The Newcastle.
There's an enemy on me.
They're probably inside.
Enemy
Ring slowing down.
here come the jammers.
106 on the.
Getting your shield damped.
Cracked.
Dead.
Watson is still here.
Grab that shield.
She's on the other side.
Oh, yeah, grab that shield.
Beautiful work. Beautiful.
Recharging my shield.
Hold on, I'll shoot at this door and just aim at her. The left door.
Yep.
Oh, I don't have a thermite.
Thermite grenade.
47
What are you doing, dude?
left.
Oh, she's so low.
There's another team.
Now, magapinsan, matulog na
Oh, there's
kayo.
so much light in there.
I knew you were gonna
And a red dot.
Reloading.
Recharging my shield. One second.
You wanna go craft bath or just push
Light
this?
grenade here.
Push.
Warning.
Deal.
Hammies.
We'll be toasted by the ring if we don't move.
Oh, I hear. Oh, maybe that was your thing.
Oh, they do disappear. Oh, someone's zipping in. No, it's the far side of this wall. So right here.
They're going away.
An opponent.
Yeah, but they'll have to
They're
come this
far
way.
away.
Care package being
They
delivered.
zipped in right
I've
here.
spotted an enemy. They're far.
I bet that care package
Oh,
is.
one just
Really
dropped
dropped
early.
off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there are two of them.
So they're gonna have to come in this way.
I think we should move
Yeah.
that way.
So we just chill around this corner. Do the old ambush trick that I've already used once this game to great
Yeah,
effect.
one
Let's
just
check
went in
out that
there.
way.
They coming?
They just went in that house.
Fighting?
Oh,
I don't want to.
Oh, there's two right here.
Yeah, I don't want to push super far in the ring. If we stay on this, we can just have the zip to go around.
I don't see them at all
Just gotta
though.
push ring. Oh, evac. Evac. Evacuate the dance floor.
Burm, 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 burm.
Stop, this beat is killing me.
Burm, 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 burm.
Something, something,
Spotted
something,
an
something.
enemy. There.
There's them flying in and zipping in. Look at
Dang, yeah.
two different teams. You can just kind of loop into them.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear people. Close, like over here.
Go here. Moving is a good idea.
Bam to the woozle. I
think we just go ring here.
I agree.
So a purple light on there and one of these.
Medkit here.
Yeah.
Stay healthy.
They're on that zip. Oh, dude, if they come out of ring, they're gonna be so dead.
They are, but they zipped out of ring.
I don't think they knocked that other team. Yeah. One just knocked at the L star. Right here. Yeah, let's go, let's go.
They just zipped up.
Yeah.
Cracked.
I've got 3. Alright, up here. They have one down.
84.
And they're hitting me.
Ring close in 1 minute.
Jesus Christ.
Down.
Last member of that team.
Are you inside?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Let's get you back
Oh, I
on
have
your
cool knock
feet,
too.
Governor.
Let's go. I think I got my purple back.
Release. Ring closes in 4.
Using a Phoenix kit.
I hear people. Oh, there's an evac right there. Oh, dude, let's shoot the evac out.
Oh,
I think they're coming to us. Yeah, they're landing on our roof, I want to say. Are they going ring? No, they're just going ring.
Yeah.
We
Oh,
get
so
gate kept
much
here, though.
light. So much
We need to
light.
go. So I don't want to get gate kept right at the entrance.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Oh, gold. Oh, this is so good.
There's so much room though.
Yeah,
The ring's close.
we'll just chill then. I'm just being,
Yeah,
I'm just being
okay.
dramatic, okay?
You
Just let me
are.
be dramatic. We get gate kept. We get gate kept.
Opening fire.
What's the vibe here? There's people on this house here.
106.
We can push up that way.
Reloading.
You can take
Yeah.
the zip up if you want, or just run it.
No, there's 2 of them.
Full like a team or 2 teams?
Yeah. 2 and 2. So Watson and a bang. Horizon and a bang.
Just gonna use this for my approach.
I think they saw me. They were right
Forward
there.
supply bin over there.
Or did they see
Yeah,
me?
they do. Oh, it's your
Yeah.
character. What the fuck was that gun?
30-30. Or maybe the new wingman.
Distributes by 3?
Oh no.
Recharging shields.
Is that another team?
There's another team coming into them.
Oh dude, we just push up behind them. The light blue ones are mine. I think they put up one of theirs too.
Getting your shields in.
Where are... Oh shit!
Bangalore, yeah,
Fuck.
be careful.
Oh my god.
Taking shots here.
Damn it.
Oh, we're good, we're good.
Reloading. Mine is to an opponent.
Oh no.
Oh, I had her. I had her.
They just crept up behind me.
Yeah, that's okay.
118 and then a 55.
Yeah,